Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Now. So today we are going to start about VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. And today's interview question is: why do we use a VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, in AWS or any other cloud environment? What is the use of Virtual Private Cloud? If interviewer asks you. So let's think about any corporate office. Right? So if the means apartments, if the individual houses are there on the road, anyone can come and enter. Right? There is no security other than the door is locked. But in corporate, any corporate campus, you cannot just go inside. Or any gated community, there will be security at the gate, right? So similarly, like in virtual private cloud, also it's an isolated environment in the network. So a VPC is a logically isolated section of a cloud provider's network where you can launch and manage your resources in a virtual network environment that you can control. So inside in a gated community, you can have their own generator, your own water supply, treatment plant, right? You have your own security. So everything you can control on your own. You can have private security. Right? So inside your gated community or campus, you have your complete control, own control. Similarly, in virtual private cloud also, you will have complete control, like network isolation, create a private, secure network boundary that separates your resources from other customer resources in the same cloud. Then custom IP addressing. It allows you to define your own IP address range, subnets, and network topology using CIDR block. So in a virtual private cloud, you can have different subnets, private subnet, public subnet. We'll come to that later. But that way you can separate out resources in a private subnet or public subnet. Then you can have security control, like the houses which are on the road. Only security is the door. Anyone can enter the like enter the area and then knock on the door. So that's it. Like similarly in the instance, we will have a security group, and at the network level, we can have NACL, network access control list. The way in a corporate campus or gated community you have a security at the gate. Similarly, at the subnet level, we can have NACL, network access controllers. So we can have more fine-grained security through security groups and network ACLs. Then internet connectivity, we can decide which part will be connected to the internet directly, which part won't be connected, private, public, subnets, multiple AZ deployment, multiple availability zones deployment, right, for high availability. We'll discuss about availability zone later, but availability zone, you can think about it like there is a region, AWS region, like it's like in Mumbai city, you have AWS zone, like Asia South Pacific, Asia Pacific South, and Mumbai region, you have like not Mumbai, is Mumbai, West Mumbai. There are maybe different data centers. That's like availability zone. Right? So if one place is down for some reason, maintenance or something happened, so another place can take over, can provide the support for high availability and backup. Hybrid connectivity. You can provide hybrid connectivity, VPN connections, and direct connections to on-premise network. Cost optimization, help reduce data transfer cost by keeping normal traffic, internal traffic within your private network. So since you are internally, like in the VPC, you have all the instance, so traffic will be internal. If you are putting it in a public network, so traffic will go through public internet connection. So that way you can optimize the cost. Compliance requirement. There may be regulatory and compliance needs by government or some agency. It will provide network level isolation and control. So these are the advantages. Scalability. You can easily scale to accommodate growing infrastructure needs while maintaining network organization and security. So since you are organizing it in different subnets, it will be easy for you to scale accordingly. So the other advantages, that's why we go for virtual private cloud, network isolation, security, IP addressing, your own you decide internet connectivity, which part is needed or not, multiple availability zone for high availability, hybrid connectivity, cost optimization, compliance requirement. Next question is, can a VPC span multiple regions? Your gated community, it can span multiple regions, right? it will be in only one location, right? Or your corporate office. It will be only one location. They may have multiple offices. That's a different thing. Different branches will be there. So similarly, VPC will be also one particular region. It cannot span multiple regions. Like one VPC cannot span Mumbai, then California, New York, Japan. Like it's not possible. It will be specific to one region. So you create a VPC for region specific. VPC is region specific, meaning it exists only within a single AWS region. If you need resources in multiple regions, you need to create separate VPCs in each region. If you want to have for higher availability or backup, then you have to create VPC in Mumbai, VPC in California. So if California center is down, then traffic can go to Mumbai location and vice versa. To connect VPC across regions, you can use VPC peering or transit gateway with inter-region support. So you can peer two VPCs and take care of internal traffic like VPC to VPC traffic. So now let's go to today's quiz section. Why do we use VPC in AWS or cloud environments? What is the primary purpose of virtual private cloud? So primary purpose of virtual private cloud is to isolate resources in logically separated networks. Right? Provide faster internet access to easy to know, allow global access to S3 bucket to create snapshot of US volumes. No, the primary purpose is logically isolating the resource. Logically isolate the resource in a logically separated network. Which of the following is a key benefit of using VPC? Automatic cost optimization, complete network control, including IP range, route tables, and subnets, automatic region failover, free storage, or no. So answer is B, complete network control and including IP range, route tables, and subnets. So you have complete network control. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, down below in the comments, you let me know how you're liking it or you are expecting any different kind of format. Give your suggestions. And also follow LinkedIn page, Devops Challenger. I organize quiz and post quiz regularly, daily basis. So you can participate in the quiz content. And also follow WhatsApp channel. I regularly send updates, so you will keep yourself up to date on what's happening on the channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.